What's good? It's your boy Jerome, aka J Got Body, here with free fitness tips to help you reach your fitness goals. Now, in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 of my favorite bodyweight exercises that you can do almost anywhere. A lot of people they say, Jerome, you only show exercises that people with gym memberships can do, and I don't have a gym membership. What can I do at home? So these 3 workouts you can most definitely do at home. All you need is some kind of a bench or any kind of elevated surface that you can use for your arms, and a pull-up bar. That's it. So the first exercise I'm going to show you is bench dips. Mind you, you do not need a bench like this to do it. You can probably do it on like some chair that you have at home, some type of setup. So this is really going to help with shoulders and triceps. So what you want to do is you want to go onto the bench and you want to go down all the way. What I recommend, start off doing it regularly, just like this. So all the way down, up, down, and up. But when you find that becomes too easy, like I recommend doing like 20 reps or until failure. So as many as you can do until you're done. Right? And then once it gets easier, what you can do to add more tension to make it a lot harder is to go down, but actually hold this position for about 3 seconds, and then go back up. So you're going down, holding 3 seconds, and then back up. So that's going to increase the time under tension, which is going to bring more lactic acid to the tricep area. Alright, so the next exercise is going to be pull-ups. Mind you, you do need a bar like this. You can get one and literally like mount it to a door in your house, right? That's when you know you're serious, when you have a pull-up bar in your home, right? People guess they're gonna come in and see that, they're gonna know that you about your business, all right? So you wanna do either chin-ups, because chin-ups, doing the close like this, doing the chin-ups is gonna work more biceps and some back, all right? But doing the wider grip pull-ups, like this, doing the wider grip is going to work more of the back. It's going to give you more of that wider physique from the top. Alright, so now with the chin-ups, what I do recommend is doing them till failure. And same idea is with the dip. So obviously we're not using weight here, so we want to focus more on the time under tension to get that blood flow going and help still lead to hypertrophy even without actual weight. So what you want to do, alright, so you want to again do about, you can do 12 reps, that can be the goal, but try to go to failure, right? Like if you do 12 reps and it's too easy for you because you're at a different level but still doing body weight, then you want to just go to complete failure. Once you get that, once you find that failure is 20 reps and beyond, and you find that the reps are too excessive, that's when you start focusing again on the time under tension. So I'll show you how to do that with the chin-up. You go up, hold at this top position, squeeze, and go back down. Squeeze, and back down. So you really want to get a nice squeeze on the biceps in the top position. And then for pull-ups, similar concept. So you want to kind of push your chest out and squeeze the back. So it's the same thing with pull-ups. You want to like squeeze the back here, literally like you're squeezing like a pencil. Like a pencil in your back, and you're trying to squeeze it. Like a lot of people, when they do pull-ups, they'll do it wrong, just go up and down. But that's not actually going to work the back. It's going to start working your shoulders and a lot of your biceps. But doing this is going to lead to actually working the rhomboids and the lats. Alright, one more bonus exercise that you can do at home. Pretty simple, it's just bodyweight squats. So what you want to do, if you don't have a dumbbell at home, get anything that's a little bit elevated off the ground. This is going to help you do a squat with a better range of motion. And if you can't get it right off the hop, then you have a measuring stick to see improvements on your range of motion. So what you want to do, get the dumbbell, shoulder width apart, and you want to focus on getting your knees behind your toes. A common mistake people make with squats is they'll use their knees to go down. So what you want to do, stick your butt out, go down all the way, and then back up. And then back up. And you can start, again, till failure. But if you're a beginner, try to aim for like 12 reps. Again, same concept now. When you feel like the amount of body weight reps you can do is too excessive, focus on the time under tension. Focus on the range of motion. So you eventually get to a point where you're going down low, but now you're holding this position for 3 seconds and then going back up. Alright, so those are 3 plus a bonus exercises that you can incorporate at home to help you build muscle and burn fat. Alright, hope this helps. Peace.